Hello, guys. It's me, Deck here. Um, this is a website called kitten. It apparently knows where I live with my choice of kittens. Now, I am honestly kind of scared, considering that this is one of the top questions. Oh my. Oh no. I'm scared now. Google. Okay. This is gonna be a pretty short video. Oh, that little guy's cute.
Meow.
I mean, I live in North America. What do I live in, frickin' Spain or something?
Meow.
I mean, I live in the United States. That one right there is ugly. This one is beautiful.
Meow.
Uh, no, I don't like this. Finally, I'm done.